We were looking up at the sky and just seeing how crazy the clouds were getting in, and now it's hailing. I would say it's probably quarter size or bigger. Sound good. You're definitely going to want to you guys are definitely going to want to make an appointment with Dent Removal now after this one, guys. Call 970-219-3841. If you get hail damage to your vehicle, we'll take care of you. Wow. You guys stay safe out there. This is in Windsor. Best paintless dent removal hail repair shop. Call 970-219-3841. Or you can check us out online at dentremovalnow.com. You guys stay safe.